Hi, I'm Linda Stiles Smith at Naturescape Studio. Today I'm going to do a short little video on how to use the Oyumaru molding compound. They come in these cute little colored sticks, and they're just the size for making good molds. The great thing about this is that it's reusable. Now, I've heated some water to 300 degrees in my microwave. I've put a piece in that has already been done, and once it becomes soft and pliable, you can take it out. Try to dry it off a little bit here so I'm not getting water all over, and it becomes really pliable, so you can shape this into whatever shape you need. Now I'm going to be making a copy of this little charm here that I can use in clay, and I don't want to do that too long because it will start to cool pretty rapidly. But you can shape it over the piece that you want to mold. Yeah, that should do it pretty well. And then you have to set it aside to cool. It has to be completely cool before you take that object out. This one I've did before, and you can see it's a pretty good one in here, but let me show you just the kind of impression that you'll get with the Oyumaru molding compound. Really nice. So there it is. I hope you can get some and have some fun with it. And remember, it is reusable, so you can take this and heat it up and make another mold, just like I did here. And this is how it comes. Have a great day.